In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the alternator on this Audi A4. This vehicle has the 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, and it's going to be located near the front on the driver's side of the engine. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the battery. You may have a panel over here that you have to remove. This vehicle does not. On the negative side, we're going to use a 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut, grab the terminal end, and slide it to the side. Using a 17mm wrench, go on the back side of the belt tensioner, and we're going to loosen up the tension. And with the tension off, take the belt off the alternator. And take the wrench off. Take this cover off, just grab underneath, pull that off, and disconnect the connector. I'm just going to push on the tab and slide it off. If you want to, you can disconnect it once you have the alternator loose, but there you go. Disconnect that. Using a 12mm socket, loosen the nut. Take the nut off, take the connector off. Using a T30 socket, take this screw out. And underneath here, T30 socket, take this screw out. That's loose. You can raise this up just a little bit so you can get that bolt. Using a 6mm hex socket, we're going to take these bolts out. And there's two down below as well. And grab the alternator and just move this hose slightly out of the way. And it comes right out. And I'll just slide this down. Just pull that hose up a little bit. And before we put the bolts in, I'm just going to connect this connector. It's a little bit tricky to get out, so if we do that now, it'll be easier. Get that lined up. Take the bolts, get the bolts started. Be careful lifting this hose, don't lift it too high. Just a little bit out of the way. Now we're going to tighten these down. I'm going to torque these to 17 foot-pounds. Oops. Just pull the drain plug or the dipstick if it's in your way. All right, 17 foot-pounds. Put the dipstick back. Put the connector on in the back. Take the nut, get that started. And tighten that down. And torque that to 11 foot-pounds. Now just move this hose back down, take the screws, get that started. Right there and right there. And just tighten these down. Snug. Snug. Now using the wrench on the tensioner, pull that back and just pull the belt up so you can get it around the alternator. Just make sure it's going around the other pulleys. You can take the wrench away. Looks good. Take the engine cover, that lined up. That's good. Push that down. Now we're going to connect the battery, take the negative terminal, line it up, take the wrench, snug that down, give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, and if you have that panel, you want to put that panel on top.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.